Welcome! Today we're making bright, fluffy lemon cupcakes filled with tangy lemon curd and topped with smooth and silky Swiss meringue buttercream. They stay soft even after the fridge, and honestly this is one of my favorite lemon combinations. And at the end, I'll show you how to create this tree on your cupcake. Let's get started! Mix granulated sugar with the zest of 2 lemons. This step really wakes up the lemon flavor and helps it distribute evenly. Add 2 eggs, vanilla, oil. That's what keeps cupcakes soft even when cold. Some milk, and of course lemon juice. For dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. I didn't sift flour here, just stir until everything comes together. The batter should look airy, avoid overmixing. This recipe makes 16-18 cupcakes. Fill the liners about 3/4 full and bake right away at 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit for about 16 minutes. I always check at 15 because every oven has its personality. This curd is thick, glossy, and so simple to make. Start the same way: sugar plus lemon zest. Then add 6 small egg yolks or 5 large, about 90 grams total. Don't worry, we'll use those egg whites in the buttercream so nothing goes to waste. If you prefer a version with fewer yolks, in the description I'll link my alternative recipe using whole eggs and cornstarch. Add lemon juice and cook the mixture over low to medium heat, stirring all the time. When it starts to bubble, give it 1 more minute and that's it. Add butter, stir. Transfer to a jar and store in the fridge for up to 7 to 10 days. But only if your ingredients were really fresh. Time to use up those egg whites. Take your butter out of the fridge 1 to 2 hours ahead. Mix egg whites and sugar and a pinch of salt in a stand mixer bowl, or just a large metal bowl if using a hand mixer. Set it over a double boiler and heat, stirring slowly until it reaches 71-72 Celsius or 160-161 Fahrenheit. As soon as it hits that temperature, remove from the heat. Whip it starting slow and moving to high speed. In about 5 to 6 minutes, maybe a bit longer by hand mixer, the meringue will be stiff, glossy, and the bowl will be room temperature to touch. Now add the soft butter piece by piece. Don't panic if it looks too soft or a little grainy, that's normal, just keep going. Beat for about 5 minutes on medium-high speed and then finish on low to push out the air bubbles. For lemon cupcakes, I add lemon juice and zest, or even easier, a couple spoonfuls of lemon curd. It gives the most beautiful lemon flavor. That's lemon curd after the fridge, and all 3 parts are ready. Let's build! Cut out a small center in each cupcake and fill it with lemon curd. I'll also show another filling method later in the video. This batch of buttercream is enough for both simple rosettes and taller decorations like these Christmas trees. I'm using a large leafy tip. Stir in the center, squeeze the bag, and then release with a sharp motion. Build layers until you get a mini tree. Decorate with sprinkles that look like ornaments or lights. It's adorable and very festive. Swiss meringue buttercream always goes in the fridge, so enjoy your cupcakes within 4 days in an airtight container, or freeze them for longer. The buttercream itself stays for 5 to 7 days in the fridge. Lemony lemon cupcakes are ready to excite your taste buds and to bring joy by their cute looks. I'll be happy to see you in my next videos. Bye!